Hey there, Luke here, or as you may know me, Luke Von Montoya on YouTube, or if you're a Twitter person, hashtag Lucas. And greatness, with the way that I define it in society, as a benchmark against what people measure themselves. Like Michael Phelps, for instance, a wonderful athlete with a lot of talent, but most people would say that he's great. He's great because he practices, and he's great because he has the resources to do so. And he practices often. Maybe not as much as he used to, but he practices often. And if you're going to call him great, that's because you see it as something that you wish you could achieve, but in reality, probably don't have the means to. To me, as a person, greatness is not a state of being, but merely a feeling. The feeling of greatness that you get when you achieve something that makes you proud of yourself. For instance, discovering an alien life form, or creating a video game, or writing a novel. You know, one of those things might make you feel like you've achieved greatness, at least for a time. But in the end, greatness is how you see it personally, and no one can tell you how to see greatness. No one can rob from you your particular greatness, and no one can tell you that you're not great. Because in reality, in some way, shape, or form, everybody's a little bit great.